Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I worked at IRS 10 long years. What I tell you, remember, I was the IRS, so I don't practice at resolution. I kind of am resolution. So I've worked thousands of cases. Go to my website and learn more about me at 777irs.com, and you'll learn all about me. Today I want to talk to you about unfiled tax returns. I go over this over. I got a call today. I just did a YouTube video yesterday about fear freezes people from filing their back tax returns. Over and over, when people call, I always ask them, why didn't you file your back tax returns? And they say, well, I didn't know what would happen. Well, nothing's going to happen. You just file your returns. So today I'm going to do this. I'm going to title this, if you have unfiled returns, nothing is going to happen to you. So don't let fear freeze you. People have to know that. I have collected thousands of back tax returns when I was a former revenue officer. I actually used to prepare them back in the day, but nothing's going to, IRS just wants you back on the system. They actually made a policy statement for you, P5 133, that says, hey, you just need to file the last 6 years and you'll be good to go with us. They want you back in the system. Most people say, God, I don't have the records. What am I going to do? How do I put all this together? It's so easy. You know, I don't know how a bulldozer works. If you put me in it, I don't even know how to turn it on. Well, that's what people like us do for a living. If you have not filed your back tax returns, and you don't have records, you don't have to worry about that. People, whether it's us or whoever, know how to reconstruct your records. It's just really not a big deal. There's reconstructive methods. I'll give you one just to throw something out. If I know where you lived, now generally, I can't say every time. There's no certainty. But if I know where you live and what your rent or mortgage is, I'm going to pretty much tell you what your income is. So you're saying, well, how is that? Well, generally, IRS or anyone would apportion 28% to 32% of your mortgage or your rent. And with that, the other 66 or 70% is other expenses. So if you make $3,000 a month in a payment, or rent or mortgage, you're at least going to have $9,000 in other expenses. So there's a cost of living analysis that agents use. So just relax. If you need someone to file your returns, it isn't a big deal. That's my wife, Marie. Say hi to everybody.
Hello.
So she passes by. She wants an appearance fee. Stop worrying about it. If you have back taxes, please don't let fear stop you. We can take care of this for you. Relax, okay? It's an easy process. Give me a subscription. I try to tell you what you need to get your problems taken care of. Thank you.